Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Okay, so today in a good market, guys, good market. All my stocks are in a pretty good level, almost sitting at 13, almost sitting at like 10 to 11 percentage up on the overall portfolio, which is really good. Okay, so let's see our actions for tomorrow. Okay, so first is Nifty. Nifty, it's at a very good order block level. Now if you guys see this small candles, right, this is considered as order blocks. Okay, in many places above this and below this is considered as order blocks. And I have entered here at 21,800 and 21,895. I have entered. Okay, my stop loss is this 50 points of stop loss where I'm holding. So I have entered in this. So let's see how the market was tomorrow. So tomorrow, if the market breaches around 21,965 and above, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and same 50 point stop loss will be something. Okay, and this resistance will be the first target, that is 20,000, 22,000. Okay, just keep it like 22,000 and 50 points will be the first target booking. Okay, next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if we see, it was I expected it to breach this and come down, but it went sideways here. As we already discussed, this is a sideways zone, so market has a very much of emotions here which will run it on sideways. So what we can do here is, this is a trend line. Alright, this is a trend line which has been breached, but it has breached in a very weak way. Okay, this is not strong. If it comes pullbacks and then breaches, then I'm interested. This kind of breach, I'm not interested. So this is basically a kind of a trap kind of a scenario here. Okay, because this whole area is a kind of a trap. So I'm not having any plans of trading Bank Nifty for now. Okay, so let's see where the market goes and then trade it. Next is US oil. US oil, it closed here, but it was not a strong close, so we did not enter. But if we see it in 1 hour time frame now, so it is consolidating here and started to go up slowly. So this is a good level. This is a very good level for anybody to buy it. So even I will be looking forward to buy it here. So I'm waiting for this pullback to be little deeper. Once it's deep, I'll be buying it, and my stop loss will be at 50 points somewhere here. My target will be at $75. If it breaches from here, it's totally fine. I have no issues. Or even we can consider this a trend line. Okay, we can definitely consider this a trend line. If it breaks this trend line below, then I'll be shorting it. Okay, so this is the plan for US oil. Here a small quantity will be, because if you guys see, the market sentiment is kind of up. It is forming lower highs. Highs are getting shifted. If you guys see, highs are getting shifted, so we can expect another high like this, and then it can fall. We can hold this. So after this two dips only we can buy. If it comes down also, it will be a good price to buy. So this is the plan for US oil. Next is gold. Gold, we are still intact at the same level. It did not hit our stop loss. We are still intact here. If it wanted to go down, it would have definitely gone, but it started shifting on the upper side, so we can definitely hold this trade. I'm going to hold it. Okay, and we have 3 stocks for swing trading. First is Infosys on a weekly time frame. If you guys see, this was a major resistance for almost 637 days. It has broken it strongly, and if you see the volumes, we have volumes. Yeah, we have decent volumes, not a very great volume, but it's decent. So tomorrow I'm expecting a red candle, a profit booking. After that, I'll be looking forward to buy it. So if I get a price of 1685 to 1738, I'll be buying it. My stop loss will be at 1634. Next is Goods Gas Limited. Goods Gas Limited, also the same story. After almost 630 days, it is giving a breakout. I'm expecting a pullback here, because market won't move just like that. Even this kind of a small candle, I'm fine. I want a small red candle, and after that I'll be entering it. Okay, so if I enter, depending on the red candle, I'll plan for the stop loss. Next one is Syngene. This is a good stock which gave a breakout. If you guys see, this was a trend line which was tested thrice. Breakout failed, breakout and sustained, and it's now up. This is a sideways zone. Okay, this total zone is a sideways zone. Now it has breached it, and it has breached it with a good red candle, with a good Morobozo candle. So if I get a price of 764 to 775, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be at 750. Alright, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got something to learn in this video. This is how I do analysis regularly, and I keep posting the videos. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Your support will be definitely appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.